I commented to the owner that you can't put much in that niche. You know, it could have been a little bit bigger. Where is... oh, I'll use a tape this time. I usually use a piece of tile to make my marks. Let's use the fat boy tape. Okay, that started to chip a little, so I went lighter. Don't cut so deeply. Mark the glaze first with your cutter. And then you come through it a second time and you just stay away off the edge. Another way you could do it too, and Jeff, one of my viewers, this is one for you, mate. I could have cut that or scored it on my cutter and then come out and use the grinder. If you notice what I'm doing, I've got my grinder slightly on an angle. I'm staying away from that edge. Uh-oh. So what I should do then is mark this on my Sigma cutter and then cut it on the grinder. So we'll mark another one. Let's go again. They are a terrible glaze. They're just straight out a terrible tile. You know, like, cheap isn't always the best. bend a bit on your tile and you'll end up with a nicer job. So that's how you avoid chipping your tile also. Now if it chips, I'll look like a bit of a clown, but it shouldn't do. That is a rubbish tile, but it will look all right when I run my angle, as I always have it slightly proud, like 1.5 mil or 1 mil, and then I just go up to that aluminium with my silicone and it looks beautiful. So a cheap tile, DIYs, as you can see, is not always the best. Pay for a good quality tile. You'll be a winner in the long run.